think I got a little too excited, but they're all good shows.
Kaya mo yan.
I bit too much this season. More than I thought I should. Again. I think this is my busiest couture. It's giving ready to wear. Because I have 5 shows a day.
Ay, ina po Sino? Akala mo nagjo-joke ka lang.
Hindi ko nga siya ihagis. Hindi ko siya ihagis. Sawa ko siya. Nakawala siya sa yung takip.
Kind of upbringing do you guys have? Wait. Sis, pwede mo bang picturean to? You have to perform very well because we forgot to take photos. Hand acting muna, walang mukha.
Sa baba na siguro, pagbaba mo mismo.
Ito. Sana may double na lang ako na medyo kamukha ko para pag ganito.
Dear, mahirap yun. Ikaw, saka lang nalagay.
Francine, gusto mo pumunta dito? Pag minsan, tutuko doon na talaga.
Pagod na pagod
Ikaw
na
na lang
ako.
pumunta.
Feel ko malilate din sila.
I never ever wanna miss Elisop because I love them. I started with them. So, I really need to make it. Ang tawag dyan is utang na loob. Gusto mo itali mo na.
Ay, basa.
You did 6 shows today?
5.
5 today.
Pinakaduyan. Ulitin mo itong...
Okay pa.
Malit daw na bagay pero pinag-wait.
Siyempre, summer kasi dito. Mainit talaga. Wow.
Okay. And, thank you for the coffee.
Yes! It's cold this time! Feels in a crazy. He almost... Ganda ng Victor and Rolf. I feel parang it's either 2-dimension or past and present. Parang your older self and your younger self.
Dalawa ulit?
Dressing up lang sila the whole time. Palit lang sila ng palit.
Oh, last show no?
No, second to the last show.
Second to the last. Ang last is ano pa?
Think I got a little too excited, but they're all good shows. These are Colombian diamonds, ruby lights, and beautiful turquoise. They're both my favorites. Coral. Whoever will get this, you're one lucky
Bracelet same.
mother effer. Again, I said it. My prediction. Fanta Garnets. They're gonna be the next It Stone. And I'm coming up with the best collection of Fanta Garnets. Halos lahat ng kita ko sa first collection ko napunta kay Fanta Garnets sa sobrang ganda. Wearing Michael Leva.
Ano yun? Yung pinaka-show.
My God, let's pretend that the day is just beginning. We have 2 shows today. Zuhair Murad and Manu. 6:30, 8 p.m. And a little reminder, if you're the same as everyone else, you're lost. Ito yung mata ni Isa, pulang-pula. Tingnan mo yung
It's
mata
just the beginning.
Tingnan mo yung mata ni Hill. Wala na.
Dry.
Okay.
Bakit bukas na ang room nyo?
Yes!
Akala ko Friday pa.
Hindi, bukas na yung room. Are you joining? Yes. Your room.
Your room. Wow. Wow.
What?
Wow. Wow.
Nakakainis.
Day 1.
Oh. Last show, guys. My name is Shady. My name is
Thank you.
ganda.
Hindi, 1, 2, 3.
Ganda mo naman. And then I'll do a cut. Parang, di ba, slow-mo. Up, ganyan. Tapos, sasabihin kong cut. 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 We're going to Rome. Bye.